Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: treacherous, T-R-E-A-C-H-E-R-O-U-S, demure, D-E-M-U-R-E, devout, D-E-V-O-U-T, persecute, P-E-R-S-E-C-U-T-E. First one, treacherous, disloyal, faithless, unreliable, two-faced. So someone who is treacherous means they pretend that they support you but secretly tries to harm you. That is backstabbing people, two-faced people. Very dangerous and even very difficult to find those people, right? So we must be very careful with the treacherous people. Synonyms: faithless, unreliable, two-faced, disloyal, betraying, untrustworthy, deceptive. All these words relates to synonyms. Antonyms: honest, faithful, forthright, true, harmless, loyal. Forthright means direct and outspoken. Forthright person, direct and outspoken. So all these words comes under antonyms. Example: Sheila's stepmother was a treacherous, selfish woman. Demure, shy, reserved. So actually demure means especially of women only we use this word. So shy, reserved, quiet and well behaved. Quiet and well behaved. In a positive manner we use this word, demure. Synonyms: humble, modest, reticent, retiring. That also we can tell. All these words we can use as synonyms for demure. Antonyms: forward, brash, shameless, outgoing, aggressive. All these words we can relate to antonyms. Example: we thought Tina was demure by nature but later proved we were wrong. Here you need to remember one more word, D-E-M-U-R, demure. So this one is demure, D-E-M-U-R-E. If E is not there, that is demure. So don't get confused. So demure means raise objections or show reluctance. Raise objections or show reluctance. That is what we call it as demure, D-E-M-U-R. So here demure, D-E-M-U-R-E, shy, reserved. That is normally used for women, especially of women. So quiet and well behaved, quiet and well behaved. In a positive manner we do use that word. Clear? Next one, devout, D-E-V-O-U-T, devout, religious, having or showing deep religious feeling or commitment. Having or showing deep religious feeling or commitment. Pious, devoted, passionate, jealous, zeal, right? If you remember the word Z-E-A-L. So jealous, fervent, ardent. All these words relates to synonyms, and you must be very careful regarding J-E-A-L-O-U-S, jealous, envying, right? This one is Z-E-A-L-O-U-S. There also you must be careful. Antonyms: insincere, unbelieving, dishonest, apathetic, unexcited, indifferent, frigid. All these words relates to antonyms. Clear? So devout means having or showing deep religious feelings or commitment. Passionate, pious, devoted, all these words can be related to synonyms. Example: no doubt my wife is a devout lady. Yes. Persecute, harass. Persecute means to frequently annoy or threaten someone, or to treat someone unfairly or cruelly because of their race, religion, or based on political reasons. Synonyms: torment, domineer, oppress, torture, ill-treat, victimize, maltreat, tease, tyrannize. All these words relates to synonyms only. Antonyms: comfort, console, soothe, please, neglect, ignore, aid, assist. All these words relates to antonyms. Example: the new boss kept on persecuting a few employees. Can we sum it up? First one, treacherous, disloyal. That is two-faced people, someone who is treacherous, pretends that they support you but secretly tries to harm you, backstabbing people. Synonyms: faithless, unreliable, two-faced, betraying, unloyal, untrustworthy, deceptive. All these words leads to synonyms. Antonyms: honest, faithful, forthright, true, harmless, loyal. Example: Sheila's stepmother was a treacherous, selfish woman. Demure, pertaining to woman. Normally this word exclusively will be used for women only, so especially of women. Shy, reserved, quiet and well behaved, quiet and well behaved. Humble, modest, reticent, retiring. Antonyms: forward, brash, shameless, outgoing, aggressive. Example: we thought Tina was demure by nature, but later proved we were wrong. Here I told you already. Remember one more word: demur. So E is not there. DEMUR. Raise objections and show reluctance. So that is what the meaning of demur. DEMUR. Clear? Devout, religious, having or showing deep religious feelings or commitment. Pious, devoted, passionate, jealous, fervent, ardent. And antonyms: insincere, unbelieving, dishonest, apathetic, unexcited, indifferent, frigid. Example: no doubt my wife is a devout lady. Persecute, harass, to frequently annoy or threaten someone, or even we can say to treat someone unfairly or cruelly because of their race, religion, or based on political reasons or political beliefs. Synonyms: torment, domineer, oppress, torture, ill-treat, victimize, maltreat, tease, tyrannize. Antonyms: comfort, console, soothe, please, neglect, ignore, aid, assist. Example: the new boss kept on persecuting a few employees. I hope you are clear. That's the end of the today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a great day.